Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about there is a new way to get a green card in the US. Navigating the green card application process in the United States has traditionally been a costly endeavor, with various fees and expenses adding up quickly. However, recent developments have introduced a new, more affordable pathway for those seeking permanent residency. This innovative approach aims to simplify and reduce the costs associated with obtaining a green card, making it an appealing option for many. In this article, we'll explore this new method, its benefits, and how it could change the way people achieve their American dream. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. This week, a new process to obtain a green card or permanent residence in the US began to operate, which would benefit around 500,000 people. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Service officially announced the program created by the Biden administration to change the status of certain immigrants. Likewise, the Department of Homeland Security will begin investigations of immigrants to determine if they meet the conditions regarding their eligibility, according to what was published in a document in the Federal Register. Keeping families together. As the federal agencies involved had already announced, the new program, Keeping Families Together, also known as Parole in Place, began on August 19th. It allows certain non-citizen spouses and stepchildren of U.S. citizens to obtain permanent residence in the U.S. as part of an effort to promote the unity and stability of families in the country. On the other hand, it also aims to promote national security, public safety, and border security objectives. USCIS says, often non-citizen spouses of U.S. citizens, many of them mothers and fathers, live in uncertainty due to undue barriers in our immigration system, explained MJO. This process to keep U.S. families together will eliminate such barriers for those who would otherwise qualify to live and work legally in the U.S., while also creating greater efficiency in the immigration system. Conducting effective screening and background checks and focusing on non-citizens who contribute and have long-standing connections within American communities across the country, said the director. How much should you pay and what conditions must you meet? USCIS began immediately accepting applications from people eligible for this process on Monday, August 19, 2024, by submitting Form I131F, a request for parole in place. The filing fee for this document is $580, and requests for a fee waiver for Form I131F will not be accepted. The requirements for beneficiaries are as follows. 1. Presence in the U.S. without admission or parole. 2. Having been physically present continuously in the country since at least June 17, 2014, until the date of filing your application. 3. Present a legally valid marriage to a U.S. citizen on or before June 17, 2024. 4. Not have a disqualifying criminal record and not be considered a threat to public safety, national security, or border security. 5. Present biometric data and submit to the required background checks and national and public security controls. In the case of non-citizen stepchildren of U.S. citizens, they must meet the following requirements. 1. Be under 21 years of age and unmarried, taking as a reference June 17, 2024. 2. Be present in the U.S. without previous admission or parole. 3. Have been physically present continuously in the country since at least June 17, 2024, until the date of filing their application. 4. Have a non-citizen parent who has entered into a legally valid marriage with a U.S. citizen on or before June 17, 2024 and before turning 18 years old. 5. Not have a disqualifying criminal record nor be considered a threat to public safety, national security, or border security. 6. Likewise, they must present biometric data and undergo background checks and national and public security controls required by the DHS. USCIS warning. USCIS warns that it has practices in place to identify fraudulent evidence by reviewing evidence submitted by applicants supporting the existence of a legally valid marriage. The agency promises to employ rigorous procedures to detect potential attempts at fraud. DHS estimates that about 500,000 non-citizen spouses and 50,000 non-citizen stepchildren of U.S. citizens meet the eligibility criteria. By meeting the requirements, they could apply for legal permanent residence without leaving the country. Interested applicants can also find more information on keeping families together. With the introduction of this new, cost-effective method for obtaining a green card, the pathway to permanent residency in the U.S. is becoming more accessible than ever. This development represents a significant shift towards reducing the financial barriers faced by many immigrants. As you consider this new option, keep informed about its details and evaluate how it could fit into your journey towards securing a green card. The road to the American dream just got a little smoother. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about there is a new way to get a green card in the US. This week, a new process for obtaining a green card in the US officially commenced, promising to benefit approximately 500,000 non-citizens. The program announced by US Citizenship and Immigration Services and created by the Biden administration is designed to facilitate immigration status change for specific individuals. Known as Keeping Families Together and Parole in Place, this initiative began on August 19, 2024 and aims to help non-citizen spouses and stepchildren of US citizens gain permanent residency. The primary goal of the program is to promote family unity and address the challenges faced by many non-citizen spouses who often live in uncertainty due to existing immigration barriers. By reducing these obstacles, the program seeks to enhance national security, public safety, and border security. The Department of Homeland Security will conduct investigation to verify that applicants meet the eligibility criteria detailed in the Federal Register. Eligible individuals must apply using Form I131F, Request for Parole in Place, which carries a filing fee of $580. Notably, fee waivers for this form will not be accepted. To qualify, applicants must demonstrate continuous physical presence in the US since June 17, 2014 and meet other criteria. Non-citizen spouses must have a legally valid marriage to US citizen on or before June 17, 2024. For non-citizen stepchildren, they must be under 21 years old, unmarried, and have a non-citizen parent who married to a US citizen before June 17, 2024 and before the child turned 18. In addition to meeting these criteria, applicants must undergo biometric data collection and background checks as part of application process. USCIS has warned that it will rigorously review evidence to detect any attempt at fraud, particularly concerning the validity of marriages. This new cost-effective approach to obtaining green card marks a significant shift in making permanent residency more accessible and affordable. As this development unfolds, individuals seeking to benefit from this program should stay informed about its details and consider how it might fit into their plans for securing a green card and achieving the American dream.